Rating in eiliad. One second, I think my YouTube's has been weird. My YouTube fi'n meddwl rhywbeth. How's everybody doing? So mae pawb yn neud croeso nôl I Fibonacci Legacy. Welcome back to the Fibonacci Legacy. No. So, usual disclaimer. Diolch I pawb os ydych chi yn y chat right now. If you're thank you already if you're in a chat right now. This is recorded. Yeah, I don't know. This is recorded live as usual. Mae'n cael recordio yn fyw cos dwi ddim hefo technoleg I ffynnu lwytho episodes hir ar hyn o bryd. So mae'n cael recordio live a wedyn bydd ar y fod. So diolch os da chi'n gwylio ar y fod neu os da chi'n gwylio yn fyw. Gweithio'n gallu paned a gonna chill out. Well, chaotic chill out cos mae'n Sims. So thank you everybody for being in live. This is recorded live because I don't have the technology to upload long episodes at the moment. Technology wise, but thank you regardless if you're watching live or watching the VODs, and I hope you grab a nice cup of tea because we're going to have some calm chaoticness that is usually in The Sims because it's usually chaos. So last episode, my Sim Envis got married to Crystal, and I was trying to move Crystal into the household, even i'r tŷ, but I couldn't. And I found out why she didn't want a Pam. It's because Crystal has got 2 kids, so we don't have space. So once I move my gen out, I'm going to move them into the house. So unwaith dwi'n symud allan once I move my and the family out to carry the legacy forward, I carry legacy line, we will move them in. So that's the plan there. Also, Mai is pregnant with the 2nd kid, so that means we only need 1 more for this generation, and then the Fibonacci of this legacy will be done. And I'm trying to get that before they're elders, because I don't know if they can have kids when they're elders. Dwi'n credu maen nhw'n gallu cael plant pan nhw'n oedolyn, and I'm not sure. So I'm sure cael yr plant gyd one. Well, we have a lot of Sims to look after them. I'm also building a multi-generation house outside of this playthrough. So I might do a live build of it. But that's for the next gen, a generation nesa, genedlaeth nesa, because with nhw yn cael 5 plant. So the way the Fibonacci goes, it's a rule in math. It's 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So we're on the generation that needs to have 3 kids. Dari ar y genedlaeth sy'n yn 3 plant. Genedlaeth nesa, dan yn 5. So, who is up? Also, me knowing, I'm going marw, because I think, lle Bella Goth is still alive, but I think his dad died. Yeah, his dad o marw, and Sims did nothing about it. Mae hwnna'n rhyfedd, pam mae o'n fanna? Why is that there? Okay. But yeah, also, if I click on Davis, they have a so ar ôl y stream, off the stream, o'n i'n just gweithio goffan pethau fyny. We got a call from Davis to go over. Maen nhw wedi cael plant in, so we got a niece, so I think it might be good to introduce Caritwen to them, because then they are the same age, because they're a toddler, and that might be useful in future. I'm not using cheats, so ddim yn gallu fatha cheatio. I'm not using cheats, so I can't really cheat, you know, relationships and stuff. We need to figure out. So yeah, so Kurt Goth. Oh, we got more than that. So Alexander has got their own one as well. Might see if Alexander wants to come around with that one. So when we do the tea, if they come to the house, that might be easier. Don't know why. But yeah, that was off stream, never off stream. So, Betty, well, I think for now, ti di goffan 2 gwaith, working 2 days. Okay, you've completed, you got work in 2 days as well. 3 hours, so tea and then, what do we need? Oh no, do you know what we need? Then toilet. Oh, how much money do you have? In the nicest possible, we need an extra toilet. Because un toilet rhwng y Sims mae gyd ddim yn one toilet between all these Sims is not good, so I'm gonna do like a little outdoor toilet. Just toilet tu allan yn sydyn yn rwla. Hwn mynd y front. This can go on the front somewhere. Can you still move around os rhaid o fyna? Ddim really. Gallai roed ochr yma. Fedra, os dwi'n symud hwn. So I don't know why that's there. So if we move... Because I'm sure toilets in the front. In a nice way, I don't think I want a toilet in the front. Or do I want a toilet in the front? No, I think I want a toilet in the back. Toilet in the cefn make lot mwy sense yn personol. It's not going to be big ones, it's going to just be like a one. We're not actually using this right now, Diamond to know the hunt, so I'm just going to put that into the household inventory. That can go... lle gallwn mynd? Ti gallwn mynd hwnna? Maybe? Gallwn mynd fanna. Put this in there, because I want to get some of the skills up. I believe so anyway. I am just going to put that in household inventory for now, just to go over one. But honestly, this method is it's going to save so much if I just need in. It literally just needs to be a 2. Be anything fancy, don't be fancy, man. Literally just. It's just when I'm in the middle of potty training or trying to get them to have showers and stuff, it's man job or mynd, okay, pwy sy'n isio, that's clipping, but I don't really mind. As long as mae'n gweithio, it's a job, fatha my job or mynd, okay, cool, you need a shower, okay, ti anna mynd fyny, ti anna mynd, you need to go shower, you need to cook food and stuff. It's a lot of just managing, so gobeithio ffordd yma, they will just be able to go toilet. Erbyn hyn, they'll be able to go toilet by themselves and I don't have to do anything. Or there is a toilet available. And that, dyna be dwi'n gobeithio anyway. I just need a light. I think that's fine for now. Off stream I'll finish it. I need to also offload a load of pictures onto the wall. So lots o lluniau dwi wedi bod yn cymryd, which is part of the legacy, it's another part of the legacy. Dwi'n mynd I rhoi fyny ar y thing. So pwy sydd fyny? So you are both up. Ti anna'n... why? Am ti fyny? Ti anna'n cysgu? But... bedtime story please. You need that. So my toddler has been glitchy as anything. I thought this had been done. I was thinking this had been done. But my playthrough is still glitchy for some reason. Like, so... oh, but you're not there. I've forgotten your name. Hugo. Dim peth dda I anghofio enw rhywun. Hugo is fine with the kid. Efo Ceridwen, to look after Ceridwen. Okay, gei di cysgu dim bach. But all the other Sims, it's doing that weird glitch where I tell them to look after toddler, edrych ar ôl toddler, and they just put it down on the floor. They just do like the weirdest things, like really weird. Oh wait, you actually trying to foot? You can turn auto lights on? Where? Sorry, I did not know that. I'm still getting used to Sims. Okay, that's how you do auto lights. I need to remember how you do it. It's fine. Doing dysgu. So then when I'm cysgu one, they're asleep now. Then I'm gonna do this off stream because I gotta get them on the same sleep schedule. Because Hugo and Cridwin are on a different sleep schedule to the rest of the house, which is fine. It means, you know, it's fine. Which is fine. It just means, you know, they're on a different one. I just need to get that sorted. So sgiliau ti hefo your movement 2, communicative 3, thinking 1, imagination 2, and potty 1. So we need to get movement to 3 and then ti ar 3? No, we need to get all of them to 3 before we age you up. Can you know chdi fyny? Wait, is tomorrow? Oh. Do you really need sleep? Do you really angen cysgu? Can you... No, you need sleep. Can you just get potty up for me, please? They automatically go to do it, and I don't know why. Do gwybod, I know, dwi'n meddwl ti angen cysg. I know you need sleep, but... I'm going to pause this because we need you to get up, because ti am cael shower. You're going to have a shower. Go pee. I didn't pan read ddim. I think, why is the fire on? And I think we get you to serve breakfast. Yeah, serve breakfast. And actually you have to actually cook it. It's actually like cheaper to cook, but honestly it's fine. It doesn't really matter to me personally right now. Hugo, are you teaching me? I know you're tired. I just need you to potty train because your birthday's tomorrow, so it's going to be skill building, skill buildio, and maybe throw a birthday party. Ella penblwydd. Mae'n dibynnu fo babi ma yn dod, because Mai's in the 3rd trimester. I know ti'n hapus. I just need you to get just a little. 3rd trimester, yeah, so nagos. Oh. I know you're not happy. Dwi'n gwybod ti ddim yn hapus. I just need you to do a little bit. Spare Tiana, what are you? I just need you to get it to 1. Mai's getting everything ready for work, that's fine. Gonna check up on... No. Okay, I do Nan's coffee and you can go sleep in a second. We might have to just spend a day of skill building. Huh? Might have to just do like a little bit of skill building for Bappy. We might have to do skill building with that. I do want to try. Okay, what team in your gwaith? I think you're fine. I think your needs were fine overall. Y needs chdi'n iawn. Gwaith efo gilydd. How are your needs? Yeah, honestly, chdi eisiau course, but I think you're good. I'm gonna get you I also didn't, I think the Sims, this today on streamed with a like work hard and stuff. When coming more, it takes more of your thing, but it means they can get promoted and stuff. And I used the Sims scenarios for it, and if you've seen the allan and you want something different, I think the Sims scenarios are really good. Man, the scenario Sims are really that. Oh, but Tianan, you're very angry. You need sleep. I know Tianan P, but we're just gonna get this one to a little bit. See them casket? I just want to get you. What are you doing? Okay, does it gysgu? So can you cancel that? Put you to bed. We're gonna have a day of skill building to do. Then does Steve P? You go pee. Go have a shower, and we'll get Tianan course coverage. You need sleep as well, so you're on the same time as the toddler, Tianan toddler, which I will just sort out, but we've got too much going on right now. I got already made 3 minutes. 1.
Oh, Darzabula!
Go grab some food. Don't. Nope. Good evening, shower with my eiliad. I want you to get leftovers and then panty, because you're awake now. Time we're on. We go to the ghost house, because I think we're gonna go. Can't bring Caridwen with us. Do I want Caridwen? If we get, what I'm thinking, but you meddle, is if we can get Caridwen, take a shower. If we can get Kurt to eat all of them, I want to say. Those are on. Team and shower dust. Yeah, just does it cascade. Panty down the shower. Why are you still doing the shower? Did I not cancel that? Did not cancel. So the toilet situation isn't too bad when they're all asleep. You have got working today to go. Gweithman, I do not. You can just sleep through. We are good. You're putting Caridwen to sleep now. Okay. I mean, it's not the best, but we'll do. I know. And if I'm honest, I know you needed that, but I know you needed it. But I need you to get skills up. Do you want to skill your chibod funny little one? I need, so by Daniel, we've got a few things we need to get sorted for this. So if we can get at least communication up, well, I think this is getting imagination up, so that's good. I want to have just 3 at 3 levels, so maybe if we just concentrate on the ones that are nearly 3 at the moment about odd, and then we will get the rest up after. I'm going to call rest funny. Wetting, possibly. So we've got you, Team Cal sorted, you're getting sorted, you're good, Team Gatdal, so that's like Give me a shower. You need a shower, what are you doing? So 10 shower, 10 and fun and toilet. Have you not gone toilet? Okay, so Kurt, then I think you travel over to the goths because I need to investigate. We are an investigator about habit. Travel. Just add Ben to here because my pal Bartlett and Casket. Caridwen is asleep, so there's no point. I want you to go over to the goths. I need you to introduce yourselves to the nibblings. I need to introduce you to your nibblings. I was in. We might throw a party for Caridwen tomorrow. Then a party for Caridwen, ond fydd yn y nos. it'll be in the night time, so I can hopefully just get their skills up. It's gonna be not a fun time for them, though ddim yn amser fun ar gyfer y blentyn. They'll be fine, I think, anyway. Dwi'n gobeithio. Or we might have the baby coming up. Dwi'm yn gwybod. That would say trusting the universe. Okay, give birth. Dio ddim yn deud dal. Feeling insecure. Okay. Well, I thought, because on rhywbeth newid, I thought because something changed, we're having a baby. But yeah, it's going to be a not fun time for Ceridwen. Because I think for names, I think if I have like a boy, I'm going to name him Maynard after the tool, Maynard from Tool, because they use fibonacci in their songs. Maen nhw wedi defnyddio fibonacci yn un o'r caneuon nhw. So that, and don't know, we'll figure out enwa Cymraeg, because my tool wedi defnyddio fibonacci yn y caneuon nhw. And or we go from the Mabinogion or a Welsh name, basically. Then I'm in the enw Mabinogion, because I don't know if you can do, or maybe just gender neutral ones, I don't know. I don't know if you can just have a gender neutral baby in this, or if it is always a boy or a girl, os mae'n ti'n gallu newid o wedyn. A hogyn neu hogan, and ti'n gallu newid o wedyn, and you change it after. So, you're going to go back to your parents, because I need to investigate. Dwi eisiau trio cael, I don't know if we can do this without adding Kurt to the household, which is going to be a pain in the butt. I am trying to get all the Sims graves into my graveyard. Dwi'n trio cael beddi y Sims I gyd yn y dre, in the town, to my mum went, but either mum went, or at least a theoretical form of them. So I'm going to try and see if I can put the grave in the inventory. Oh, hopefully, I want to say, I need to figure out where Davis is living. No, not Davis, the other one that had the other child. And then arall, or plant arall. Oh, I've forgotten their name. Di anghofio enw nhw. I will check the Simology one Eiliad. But, so I think at one point I'm going to have to download a load of Sims, extra Sims, just to get dre, like, when pan mae genedlaeth nesaf teens, when the next generation teens, I might have to start getting some teens in, because I found there's not a lot of teens in a bid. There's not a lot of super lot of teens or like young adults, but it's like my Sims are. Okay, so pwy wyt ti? Pause. Oh, sweet! We can, the perfect one, that's what I wanted. So that's your dad. Because I think it happened recently. Nath o digwydd yn fuan. I want to see. No. So if dwi'n gallu neud o, so I can change it. So we change it. Okay. So da ni'n gallu neud. Can I put... Yes, I can put it in inventory. Sorry. I just realized I can put them in my inventory, which I can put them in... I thought you had to have like... you know... O'n i'n meddwl... I thought you had to do something to get the Sims graves into your inventory, O'n i'n meddwl bod chi'n gofod wneud rhywbeth I cael y beddi Sims yn eich inventory. But I don't know if it's because it was their dad or not, but I can, and that's good. Ehangu'r dy mam. So we're introduced to that to Brennan. So pan da ni'n cael beth sy'n galw, pan wyt ti'n uncomfortable? Mae'n wrth icky plumbing. Okay, if you do that, then I'll put the thing in the inventory, and we're gonna go to the graveyard because we need to figure out. We need to put that. I want to say that everybody's still asleep. I think everyone's still asleep in the thing.
Shanaway.
Wait. Success. Curt gesture of respect which the ancestors have heard is called and sent a Day of the Dead celebrated to. Ah, that's cool. So dinner lemonade. So that's what that does. Does that mean that they are gonna? Thing is, pan eisiau neud hwn. Oh no, wait. Ti'n gallu? Come back here. Ti'n nôl fama? Can I not? Please let me put you in my inventory. I think I've done it. You let me before. Lle wyt ti? Where are you? You're there. Okay, I don't get. So dwi'n mynd allan. You were sad. Yes. Inventory. Sweet. We're going to the cemetery then. When Herm died, or Herm Sim, Sim Herm marw. There was no grave, and I don't know os mae yn cos there was no grave there when Herm died, and I don't know if it's because it was on their own, or if it's because I played the household. Just sleeping back just to get the house, you know. And then, yeah, I don't know, don't gwybod. I don't know why we didn't get their grave. Nothing cael bedd ar gyfer nhw. So I've had to make up one. Capel Awen. So I don't know how or why that happened, or pam nothing had digwydd. Because there was no, actually a lot, and there was nothing there. And I didn't bid on that, and I don't. I'm still getting used to Sims. I build in the Sims. I did Plumbella's challenge recently, the Plumbella building challenge, and that really fun. That was really fun. I want to say Plumbella. Their challenge is really fun. I think James Turner's got a build challenge as well. So os ydych chi isio, if you'd be interested in maybe doing like, I might do a building stream in the dyfodol. Building stream maybe in the future. Okay, so we have, this is Cariad, this is my OG Sims, this is Herm's, this is Hugo's gonna go. I just need to get just cael allan o inventory chdi. I found out also why this is a bit weird and sometimes it's because this class has been inside. Mae'n cael ei clasio o fod tu fewn when it's actually not. So I need to make space for Bella as well. Dwi angen y lle ar gyfer Bella because, you know, ffenast fanna. No, I think we put the goths here. Right, the goths are mama. Oh no, I can put goths here. Yeah. Oh, you can just engrave them. Oh, man, cool. Okay. Engrave. So we have Captain Herm. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so dyna sech ddim yn cael... So even if you don't get their graves, you can still do it. That's cool. I think it would be cool to have some actual graves of Emma. Or do I want to put... I think... Os da ni'n cael gwared o hwn. Get rid of this. In eiliad. Build mode. We put the 2 goths in there. Da ni'n cael yr goth family in the plush one, because I think that would be quite accurate actually for the goth family. Please deud ti yn dod yn bedd you know. So the trick I learnt to do with this, because this has been difficult, is I have to build a separate room. I have to delete it and then I can put it there. So we have this as the goths, and I think it would be actually quite cute to have a fencing o gwmpas o, because it is the goths after all. Hopefully this won't change it. It's my own. I will figure something out off stream. I really hope this doesn't change it. Nope, that's cool. So we've got the goths there, and we can put all of the goths there eventually, maybe. Because, well, we see how sometimes you get family graves and stuff. So, save. I don't know if that's my medal. If they can't get to the grave to mourn them. But I think it will honestly be fine. Then one aim done today. So if it's mynd nôl, everybody should still be asleep. I don't understand why game didn't let Kurt know that his dad had died. I don't know what's meant, because pan nath the game they gadael gwybod dad wedi marw. I don't know if it's because it's in a different household, because they're in my household. Ta beth sy'n digwydd efo Sims. I have no idea what happens with Sims half time. But my mum went to tyfu. Our graveyard is growing, so that's quite cool. It's only when I read it though. Yeah, so okay, my mum pan dwi'n darllen o, the rest like automatic come up. My breast yn dod fyny hefo nhw. So we might have to just get a little bit creative. I don't think I did find Herm's grave. I'm gonna see if it's generated maybe. And maybe see ella gweld. Because I'm wondering if I missed it now. Hey Crystal, Anna. Hey Crystal. I'm wondering if I've just missed it now. Did I just miss it? I can't go inside the house. No, I can't go inside the house because there's nobody there. Not yet, anyway. Genedlaeth yn dyfodol in the future. Some stuff in the future I'm gonna put there. Faint o amser gynna ni. So mae chwarter wedi 10 ar hyn o bryd. Okay. 10:15. I need to get ready in a second. But yeah, to know there are some mods and stuff, and CCs and custom content and stuff for it. But I'm doing base games, so I don't, and on PlayStation, I do have PlayStation, so I don't know if there is a way to get your Sims graves. I'm assuming there is, because Little Simsy's got a lot of graves in their playthroughs. Okay, I just want to see. No. Can I go into build? Will it let me? Is it gadael fi? See, there's no grave here. It's been a little while. We've bought anything back, but can't see like even an urn or anything. That's so weird. That's really weird. Okay, so let's go home. It's handy because I don't have to. Well, yeah, man down. I understand why he does it. Dwi'n that coordinated. I don't understand pam weithiau ma'n neud o. But yeah, so I think what we need to do now, fast forward time, because all our Sims are good. We need to just concentrate on getting the toddler aged up, because Man, that is it toddler or infant? No, they're a toddler. They are a toddler. I know a toddler. Because it's good if they're a child. Because children are easier to do with kids. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Because in generation one, in Cenedlaeth, one generation is gonna be 34. Because the way for mae'n genedlaeth yn fod yn 34, so it's going to be, I think, 100 baby challenge way. Because for my Fibonacci thing mynd, for my Fibonacci mynd is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. You add the previous numbers up. 13, 21, 34. So mae'n mynd yn dipyn bach, but this generation needs 3, next generation needs 5, the generation after that needs 8 children. Yeah, at one point it's going to get real fun. At un pwynt mae'n mynd yn lot o hwyl. O, ti fyny? Are you... no, it's alright, The Sims has just done this. Okay, yeah. So, chdi'n cysgu, so why are you up? You need food. Cool. Okay. Everybody up? Pawb fyny. Okay. So we're gonna get the toddler. I think we need to get the toddler. Also, like, chdi fyna. We need food, please. Sure. What are you doing? What time do you have work and stuff? 23 hours, so you're good. Tisha, what do you need to do? You need to write a song. Pam neu di ddim. Why does the fire not put out? I have no idea where the fire is like that. Can you finish this? So this is music that what do you call it? Sheet music. I can't do that. So that's permanent sheet music. Okay, mae'n fun. We will. Don't need you to do that. Ti'n gallu mynd ar y violin, so with writing songs for Sims, y ffordd gorau I cael to get most money I found is basically if you go different. If you go to another line, I found this online to do different ones. So any time you can have one guitar, one piano, and one violin. In your amser ti'n gallu cael un guitar, un violin, a un piano can for royalty. So that's the best way to get money. Don't do that. Give food to toddler. Please, because weithiau this does not want to work. Di hwn ddim eisiau gweithio. Kurt, I honestly don't know. Kurt King. But do you even need to go to your end gwaith? Do you need to get anything done? You need to cook a gourmet meal. I need to know one. Why don't you cook a gourmet meal now? We've got a pawb. Why don't you? Dwi'n gallu flavourize you all? Okay, I don't know why. Why don't you do family size? Because my babi ar y ffordd and it's gonna be fun mewn eiliad. So stopio di wneud hwnna, please. But wyt ti angen rhywbeth? Do you need hygiene? You're good. Are you? Where's? That's what I mean. Okay, so I queued it up. Do you queue it over there? And they just stood there. Na, ti'n gael no one. You're getting them now. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be a time of we're just gonna concentrate on those ar rheina gyfer one, I think. Well, we get everything. Well, we try and get the little one. Cael yr un skilled up because we need to get you skills. So, be da ni angen, what do we need for be ti angen gyda chdi? Why ti'n, pam wyt ti'n drist? Left behind. Okay, oh. So. Ti'n angen fun and you need food. So if we play with toys, I don't know, funny. If you have communication, can you teach to galw? There's definitely one here. Teach to talk. So now that would be good if you can do that.
Plus a me? Oh.
Small talk doesn't add to it, does it? Is small talk can add to the other? No, I don't think so. Okay, so why are you obsessed with putting the fire on? That's my only thing about hwnna. And silver, okay, we're going to do party another time. You're pretty good, but what's he actually Anan? I'm just gonna let you do what a bit here, sure. Cause are you really in your dressing gown? Excuse me. No. You're gonna teach them to talk. I think that gets this. They have manual hefo thingy cael. I just want to get some skills up to level 3. So ni'n cael un skill fyny level 3 mynd dda. That's what I mean, like they go away and then dod yn ôl, and I don't know why.
Subane?
Yanka!
Jiffa! Oh, Yabba Horn!
Did I cael skill? Why is the skill thing not coming up? Is there a reason why the skill thing is not coming up? So maen nhw'n cael... Wait, I'm confused now.
Yips, Juboya!
Okay, what you...